I want you to repeat what you were saying there, Carl.
Me?
Everybody listen up.
The reason why it mixed was because
What are we talking about mixing first? Give me a kind of update of what we're doing. What are we doing today? Density?
density.
Yeah. So we're measuring density of different volumes, different liquids. Okay. And so we had 3 liquids, a red, a green, and a yellow. Okay. Which red was water, which is how dense? What is?
Water is 1 cubic centimeter.
Okay.
I guess you could say.
And so the other two liquids we had were less than that, correct?
Yes.
So we know that water is the
Densest.
most dense. Okay, great, excellent. All right, so what we're trying to do is figure out the density of them and then layer them and see if they'll separate on top. Okay.
Yeah.
So our group here, their first attempt, their yellow and green mixed and didn't separate. And why is that?
Because the 3 liquids weren't equal at 30 millimeters. Like red could have been 30, yellow could have been 30, but green could have been over 30.
Right, so it could have been 31.
Yes.
All right, now if it was like 30.02, would it have made that much of a
I don't
difference?
think so.
Right, but if you just do like a milliliter off, it obviously makes a big difference. So it can be varied within its range, but just slightly.
Yeah.
Whenever you get too much of a variance, then it doesn't separate, correct? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to layer.
have to rinse it out. There's stuff in it.
That's okay. We're going to layer our fluids. And which one are we going to put on the bottom,
Red.
Adriana?
Red.
Red? Why?
Because it's the most dense.
It's the most dense. Okay, what are we going to do after that?
Pour the yellow in.
Okay, and then the final one would be,
Green.
okay, so what is red again?
The most it's water.
And what's yellow?
Vegetable oil.
Uh-huh, and what's green?
The Windex alcohol.
Right, great. Okay, so why don't we do that now? So we're going to go with the water first because it's most dense, and then yellow. Let it settle first. Let it settle first. There we go. All right, and here's the final test.
Not on
Make
60
sure
anymore.
60 before you.
Because they're 30.
Where is it at?
It's like on like 58.
Okay, so we need a little bit more oil, right? Just a touch.